Superhairpieces is always looking to make the buying experience easier and more seamless, and our latest feature is particularly useful for salon clients and hair professionals. Now you'll be able to find the exact hair systems you need, as well as check the current status on our new inventory page. Simply select the hair system unit you're looking for, and you'll be able to see the available colors and whether it's in stock. If it's not in stock, you can check to see whether it's in transit to our warehouses, or currently in production at our factory. Alternatively, you can select the hair color you desire and see which units are available in that particular color. If you're a new client or are looking for a more specific unit, you can also use our filters such as the type of base material, size, and hair density to assist you with your search. In addition, once you have selected your desired in-stock unit, you can click on the first pop-up icon to go to the product page. The cart icon, meanwhile, will allow you to add the unit in all its available colors to your shopping cart. You can also select the color you want and click the cart icon to add all the available units in that color to your shopping cart. All of this can be done right from the inventory page. This will not only help salon clients and hair professionals know what's currently available, but also plan their future purchases from Superhairpieces.